this video, we'll cover how to set up the Find Full Text feature in your Endnote preferences. This feature allows Endnote to search the Duke Library's journals to locate and add PDFs to citations in your library. Of note, Endnote is only modestly successful at this task. Before we turn to Endnote, first open up your internet browser of choice and head to our library website, mclibrary.duke.edu. From here, you're going to find Guides near the top. Open that up and select Writing and Citing, the Endnote option. From here, you'll scroll down to the Endnote Tips box. We're going to be using this open URL path and this URL within Endnote. Now you can head over to your Endnote library, and under Endnote 21 in the very top bar, you will select Settings. And from here, make sure that Find Full Text is highlighted. So this is where you're going to put that open URL path, and this is where you're going to put that Authenticate With. And once you're done with that, you can click Save. So how then does this actually work within Endnote? Well, what you want to do is go ahead and select a few citations that you want Endnote to find the PDF. So once you've done that, you are going to come up here to this icon that's a piece of paper with a magnifying glass, and it's going to prompt you to enter your net ID and password. You'll click Continue. At this point, what happens is a Find Full Text area shows up in the left menu. If Endnote was successful in finding the PDF, it will let you know how many it has found. And then with your references, any citation that has a PDF will helpfully get this paperclip icon.